Turn off your data, your phone's AI still works. Nobody tells you this. No internet, no data, so how is it still replying? Still smarter? Because the AI isn't calling the internet anymore. It's living inside your phone's chip. This is called on-device AI. Google's Gemini, Nano, and Apple's on-device modules run directly on your phone's processor. You are typing your photos, your voice processed right there, never sent to a server. That's why it works on flight, in a tunnel, in your village with zero network, and nothing leaves your phone to reach anyone else. For our students in a hostel with a weak network or freelancers worried about data cost, this means real AI help without burning recharge or privacy. AI isn't just getting smarter, it's getting closer, right into your pocket, with no permission needed. AI on your phone is no longer a call to the cloud, it's a resident of your chip, meaning it works offline and keeps your data with you, not on someone's server. Would you trust AI more, knowing it never leaves your phone? Comment yes or no.